So I'm going to head down to the beach for a little walk, and I thought I'd take you along with me. But the time Hurricane Fiona hit PEI, it was a post-tropical storm. So I want to go check out, see what the damage is, and see if I can find any beach treasures. It's a beautiful sunny day in October. The wind is blowing, but that sun, it still has a lot of heat in it. So as long as you're dressed warm, you can get down and really enjoy the beach on a really cold fall day. Yeah, it's a bit windy, but when the wind is blowing, it really makes the waves crash, and then you get all this beautiful white foam. So I don't mind a little bit of wind sometimes when I'm down at the beach. So Hurricane Fiona definitely left her mark on this part of PEI. Although we didn't get nearly as much damage as some areas in PEI, there's usually a lot of mud and sand and clay up on these capes, and they've just been stripped right down to the bare rock. So there's a lot of difference down at the beach here that I'm noticing. If you look there, you can see a lot of blue rock along with your typical red clay. And this gully that we often use to access the beach is about twice its normal size because so much clay and rock and sand has been hauled out into the ocean. I'm not finding a ton of sea glass here today, which is fairly typical after there's been a big storm, but I am finding a few pieces, a few little whites and one little green here. And here's a cool piece. It's not really well finished, but there's a very distinctive R on the piece of glass, which is super cool. Oh, there's one. I spy a little green one. So I didn't find a ton of sea glass down here today, but I got a little bit. Nice pocketful to take home with me, and it was a lot of fun looking for it, so still worthwhile coming down. Thanks so much for coming along to the beach with me today. I hope you really enjoyed your little beach break. I know I certainly did. So until next time, I hope you make it out to the beach, and happy sea glass hunting.